Now we are going to discuss about a study on applications of calculus in engineering and science. Introduction. British scientist Sir Isaac Newton invented this new field of mathematics. Calculus is a Latin word which means stone. Romans used stones for counting. For the counting of infinitely smaller numbers, mathematicians began using the same term and the same structure. Though it was proved that some basic ideas of calculus were known to our Indian mathematicians, Newton and Leibniz initiated a new area of mathematics. There are a large number of applications of calculus in our daily life. It can't be possibly illustrated in a single view. I am trying to describe them shortly here. Calculus. Calculus means rate of change. There are two different fields of calculus. The first subfield is called differential calculus. Using the concept of function derivatives, it studies the behavior and rate on how different quantities change. Using the process of differentiation, the graph of a function can actually be computed, analyzed and predicted. The second subfield is called integral calculus. Integration is actually the reverse process of differentiation, concerned with the concept of the antiderivative. These two subfields are generally different from each other. These two concepts are linked by fundamental theorem of calculus. Now we are going to see some applications in engineering field and science. Civil engineering. Many aspects of civil engineering require calculus. Firstly, derivation of the basic fluid mechanics equations require calculus. For example, all hydraulic analysis programs which aid in the design of storm drain and open channel system use calculus numerical methods to obtain the results. In hydrology, volume is calculated as the area under the curve of a plot of flow versus time and is accomplished using calculus. Next, structural engineering. In structural engineering, calculus is used to determine the forces in complex configurations of structural elements. Structural analysis relating to seismic designs require calculus. In a soil structure context, calculations of bearing capacity and shear strength of soil are done using calculus, as is the determination of lateral earth pressure and slope stability in complex situations. Next, mechanical engineering. Many examples of use of calculus are found in mechanical engineering, such as computing the surface area of complex object to determine the frictional forces, designing a pump according to the flow rate and head, and calculating the power provided by a battery system. Newton's law of cooling is a governing differential equation in HVAC design that requires integration to solve. Next, aerospace engineering. Numerous examples of the use of calculus can be found in aerospace engineering. Thrust over time calculated using the ideal rocket equations is an application of calculus. Analysis of rockets that function in stages also require calculus, as does gravitational modeling over time and space. Almost all physics models, especially those of astronomy and complex systems, use some form of calculus. Next, architecture engineering. An architect engineer uses integration in determining the amount of the necessary material to construct curved shaped construction. For example, dome over a sports arena, and also to measure the weight of that structure. Calculus is used to improve the architecture not only of buildings but also of important infrastructure such as bridges. Next, electrical engineering. In electrical engineering, in calculus, integration is used to determine the exact length of power cable needed to connect two substations, which are miles away from each other. Next, applications in physics. In physics, integration is very much needed. For example, to calculate the center of mass, center of gravity, and mass moment of inertia of a sports utility vehicle. To calculate the velocity and trajectory of an object, predict the positions of plant, and understand electromagnetism. Next, application in statistics. Statisticians use calculus to evaluate survey data to help develop business plans for different companies. Because a survey involves many different questions with a range of possible answers, calculus allows a more accurate prediction for the appropriate action. Next, application in research analysis. An operation research analyst will use calculus when observing different processes at a manufacturing corporation. By considering the value of different variables, they can help a company improve operating efficiency, increase production, and raise profits. Next, application in graphics. A graphics artist uses calculus to determine how different three-dimensional models will behave when subjected to rapidly changing conditions. It can create a realistic environment for movies or video games. Next, application in chemistry. It is used to determine the rate of a chemical reaction and to determine some necessary information of radioactive decay reaction. Next, application in medical science. Biologists use differential calculus to determine the exact rate of growth in a bacterial culture when different variables such as temperature and food source are changed. Some other applications. Credit card companies use calculus to set the minimum payment due on credit card statements at the exact time. The statement is processed by considering multiple variables such as changing interest rates and fluctuating available balance. Doctors and lawyers use calculus to help build the discipline necessary for solving complex problems, such as diagnosing patients or planning prosecution case. The field of epidemiology, the study of the spread of disease, relies heavily on calculus. It can be used to determine how far and fast a disease is spreading, where it may have originated from, and how to best treat it. Conclusion. With calculus, we have ability to find the effects of changing the conditions on a system. By studying this, we can learn how to control a system to make it do what we want it to do. Because of the ability to model and control system, calculus gives us extraordinary power over the material world. Thank you.